What's going on? I'm working on this E36 right now, and I thought I'd make this quick video for you guys on replacing a selector shaft seal. So this is on a 325i, so it's a get reg, and I have the transmission out right now because I'm doing a clutch as well, and it's a lot easier to see what's going on here. So the seal is this little piece right here, and it slides on the end of this shaft, and it's flush with the housing. So to get to it, you got to take the selector rod off, and then there's a clip on there. You pull the clip off, slide it out, and then you're going to be left with this on the end right here, and it's going to have a little pin through it. So you got to pull off the ring, and then tap the pin out, and then this will just come right out, and then you're left with this. I used a pocket screwdriver, got in there, and then pried it, and then I was able to sink one side in, and then the other side popped out towards me, and then I was able just to pull it out. So just be careful not to scratch it up and mar anything inside there. So that's how you get it out. And then when you put it in, you're just gonna go ahead and grab your new one, put a little bit of like ATF on there, slide it on there, grab your socket, and then just tap it in until it's flush with the housing. So if you have a leak at the back of the trans, it's probably your selector shaft seal. So I mean, for me, it was dripping out pretty heavy. So I decided to do it while I'm doing my clutch. And yeah, if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments. But it's a pretty straightforward process. Thanks for watching. See ya.